and welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipe videos. And today I'm going to show you how to make my roasted Opo Squash Chutney. So if you are tired of eating hummus or just have been eating hummus for too long, then it's time to make a switch. The ingredients are simple. Opo squash, 2 cups, peanuts, 1 to 2 tablespoons, tamarind, 1 teaspoon, piece of ginger, dash of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and bunch of chilies. Now you can easily substitute each of these ingredients with the ingredient that you have at hand. For example, you can substitute Opo squash with zucchini or any kind of summer squash. Peanuts and sesame can be substituted with pumpkin seed or sunflower seeds or poppy seeds. And instead of tamarind, you can use lemon juice and use garlic instead of ginger. And of course, you can skip the green chilies and use cayenne. But I'm fanatic about my spices and I love my things very spicy. So I'm going to keep these chilies and maybe add cayenne a little later as well. Now let's start with the roasting part first. So in order to make sure that your Opo squash or any squash pieces are thoroughly coated with the herbs and spices, what we are going to do is dump everything in this plastic box, put the lid on, and keep rolling. This ensures that all the pieces are being coated with the seasoning thoroughly without any oil or any butter or anything. You can marinate this for a few minutes if you want to. As you can see, squash pieces are thoroughly coated, and as I mentioned, that can be achieved by just rotating things in the box. And you can use this technique when you are roasting any vegetable and trying to coat it with the seasoning of your choice. Now, just to save some time and effort, what I'm going to do is dump a couple tablespoons of peanuts right here on the side. So everything is going to get roasted on this one skillet, and then add the sesame seeds, and all this is going to go in the oven at 425 degrees until the nuts are lightly roasted and squash pieces are soft. The roasted Opo squash recipe is done. I am just going to sprinkle my dry tempering of mustard and a little bit of chili on top. But as I promised, it is creamy, nutty, savory, and tangy. It's low in calories, nutrient dense, making it a perfect solution for weight loss or diabetes. Has anti-inflammatory benefits and flavors of spices. You can use it as a dip, as a sauce or a dressing on your salads and on your veggies. Thank you so much for watching. Please, please, please send me those comments and questions. I love them answering, and I'm just happy that you are watching and using these recipes. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please have those comments and questions come in. I love answering those. Thank you and see you next time.